What's up, my crypto family? This is KL Crypto Show. Uh, with the new video, I always do my best to keep my content concise and no BS, straight to the point. So gonna save you guys a lot of time. Today I'm gonna do the ICO review for DESICO. First thing first, disclaimer: I am not financial advisor. The information is not investment advice. Please do your own diligent research before investing or trading. Let's go, guys. What is DESICO? DESICO is an EU-based platform to issue, buy, and sell security tokens in full compliance with the law. Its ecosystem will disrupt the global $155 billion venture capital market by introducing security token through blockchain. Next, what benefit of DESICO? And the problem, like DESICO gonna solve in the future. So, a lack of legal frameworks for the issue of security ICO, a lack of post-ICO liquidity, a lack of liquidity for ICOs in converting crypto assets to fiat currencies. So next we go to team and advisor. Team, they don't have any all-star team member. The advisor, they also just have like decent advisor. Next, prototype. I look at like go and check in their prototype. The MVP, I think the MVP look really clean and nice. So next, roadmap. Roadmap, it follow the plan so far. Launch of security ICO platform full version on Q4 2020. So next is the caps. Soft cap $3.5 million. Hard cap $32 million. Decent hard cap in my opinion. So about the token. So total supply of total supply is around 800 million DESI tokens, and it like ERC20 run on Ethereum blockchain, 51% crowd sale, and unsold token will be burned. Token allocated to the team will have a lockup period of 12 months. So I think it really it's really good when you had a lockup period for the tokens, So what is about the community? Twitter, they have around 4,000 followers. Facebook, around 5,000 followers. Members are active on Bitcoin Talk. Telegram, they have around 24,000 members. I think the hype is quite good for this project. So in my opinion, like short-term holding, I think it's gonna be negative because the vision is not new. The team is not that strong enough, and especially in security, they don't have like expertise in security. Long-term holding, I think it's gonna be negative too, because they need to analyze their direct competitor, in their white paper, but they didn't do it. It's very long for the final launch on the roadmap, like it's gonna be like the end of 2020. It's really a long time, and we don't know what's gonna happen with the project. So at the end, thank you so much for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. hit the notification bell so when the new video come you guys gonna get it right away. Share my video, comment on my video, donation link are below to help the channel grow. Hope you guys have a good day. See ya.